Okay, today I'm going to show you this LCD hood. It's a 3-inch LCD hood that I bought for my Canon Vixia R80. So we're going to unbox it, show it to you. We're going to put it on the camera, show you how it works. It's there's not really a brand name on it, or JJC, I guess. And then there's not much to it. This is what the box looks like. Gives you a little bit of details. Shows you, kind of eliminates some lens glare. I mean, these are kind of basic, but pick this up on Amazon. Let's just open it up. Comes all wrapped. Of course, there's nothing else in the box. Nope. These are pretty simple, but this is what it looks like. Get that little packaging out of there. And so it's got Velcro on the back so that you can flip it around or put it to your lens hood. It's pretty deep. Looks pretty deep in there. Nice little deep pocket. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to put that on the camera right now. And you notice I got this lens hood on here. So I'm going to open this up and let's actually turn it on. And usually you can slip this just right over top, and there it is, right like that. Now it's kind of loose, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually, and it's saying that I'm going to actually tighten it a little bit. You can tighten it while it's on the camera, and slip it over right in here. Now, one thing about the Canon Vixia R80 is that it's touchscreen. So you can kind of see in there, so if I take the lens cover off, so there's where the camera would normally be mounted, just showing you what it looks like in there. You can kind of see around the room a little bit. So it's really hard to see in this video how good it looks, but it's got a very deep pocket area here, so definitely would block the sun. So you can see right there how deep it is, and then it just velcros on over top. You can slide that in and out right there. So, and it's still plenty of room, so I can reach down in here because this is a touch screen. You know, I still have the ability to touch the screen and do what I need to do in here, and you can see what that looks like. Very, very handy shooting outside on a sunny day. If you're mounted on a tripod shooting a kid's sports game or shooting anything else, you know, this is going to be really beneficial. I'm really glad I picked this up. I'm going to use this a lot for kids' football games and things this year. So that's the JJC 3-inch lens hood. Pretty good, pretty solid build, and pretty sturdy. So you should pick one of these up. I think it's going to be really good this year.